Okay, looks like we are recording. Good morning, everybody, here from the Holiday Inn Suites, Holiday Inn Express and Suites here in Culpeper, Virginia, right next door to a 7-Eleven. The hotel itself is really nice. We had a great night's sleep here. 2 queen, very comfortable beds. And let's go ahead and inside and do a quick lobby and facilities tour before everybody gets up for breakfast. It's early morning, 5:30, so the contractors haven't even started leaving yet. You can see the parking lot back there is full of contractor trucks, which is common these days. A lot of contractors on the road getting paid to sleep in hotels these days. So over here on the left is the breakfast area. It is not yet set up, but it is very spacious, and we're going to grab a cup of coffee over here in a minute. We've got a very full coffee bar. Yeah, breakfast is not yet put out, but there's plenty of seating. Here's the area where we checked in last night. They have a nice little convenience shop over here with drinks and microwavable food and essentials, and a whole wall shelf full of snacks over here. A couple of other eating areas over here on the left, and then a nice computer station over here on the right with 2 computers, a printing station, and more seating for breakfast. Okay, let's go down the hall there's the lobby bathrooms. Here are the elevators. Let's go down the hall to the pool facility, which is our next door here on the right. We did try and go into the water last night, but it was so cold. Even though the hotel advertises that this pool is heated, it was so cold. It's actually a little warmer than it was last night. I was not able to get in. It was probably around 60, 65 degrees. So even though it advertises heated, it did not feel heated last night. It is warmer in here than it is the rest of the hotel. And now we're going to head over to the fitness center. Oh, looks like we've got to go out. So there's some really nice lounge chairs, very comfortable lounge chairs in here. And you don't even need to bring your own towel. They have pool towels here for you to use while you're in the pool. Okay, so that's it for the pool area. It's a little bit tricky to get out. You got to activate that sensor to get out. So yeah, we're gonna just take a quick look at the fitness room. That's about all the facilities that they have here. Everything I've shown you so far. So there is a stationary bike, there's an elliptical, there's a treadmill, there's some weight balls and some stretchy straps, dumbbells, a bench, and more towels. Oh, and a scale over in the corner. So not a very complete fitness room, very, very basic, mostly designed for cardio and some standing free weights. And that's it. So that's the whole facility. Down the hall is just the exit and more guest rooms. Nothing else going on down there. So that's it, very basic hotel. However, like I said, the beds were very comfortable. It's not the best neighborhood in the world. It's, like I said, it's right next to a 7-Eleven, and they had some sketchy characters hanging out in the parking lot there last night. So just so you know, beware to lock up your valuables and take care while you're in the neighborhood. All right, that's it for the hotel lobby and facilities tour. We'll see you over at the breakfast bar in a few minutes.